This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jerry Lynn Kierstead. Charming 1-bed 1-bath condo now available at Coral Ridge Colony. Light, bright and freshly painted with new flooring installed throughout. Many new upgrades have been added to limit any near future maintenance costs. New HVAC 2023, hot water heater 2021, new wall oven 2024, refrigerator 2022. Building management installed a new roof 2022-2023. No known upcoming assessments. 10-year structural safety inspection and electrical safety inspection completed in November 2023. These units are seldom available and will go quickly. Schedule your showing today. FIRPTA Required. For more information, review the details below.